Okay, so let's move into the database creation part. But before I do that, let me do a commit since I have not committed our validation code. So git add, commit, added validation code. Okay, git push origin main. Okay, so let's create our database, our Apple tree database. So let me open the terminal and let's go to Postgres. Again, we'll be using Postgres similar to what we used in the previous series. So Postgres PSQL. Okay, so we are the super user. And so I will proceed to create my database. Again, I did all of this in the previous series, so I will not be explaining a lot. Great. Let's connect to Apple Tree. All right, and let's create a user. And we want the password to be something like Apple Tree 2022. Okay, you can use whatever password you want. Okay, so let's ensure, well, actually, let's create an extension while we're at it. So create extension. If not exists, and this extension will be the CI text extension that we used in the previous series. Okay, let's quit. Okay, and let's try to log in. So PSQL, the host is localhost. The DB name is Apple Tree. And the username is Apple Tree. Okay, my password. Great, so we're in. And so we can verify that we are the user. So current user. Okay, Apple Tree. All right, let's exit. Okay, and I went ahead and I created an environment variable that will allow us to log in without having to type all of this, okay, as we did in the previous series. So let me show you that environment variable. So if you recall, it's in that profile. Okay. And at the bottom here, I have created an environment variable named appletree_db_dsn. Okay, so we have Postgres, we have Apple Tree, colon, we have the password, we have at localhost /Apple Tree question mark and SSL mode equal disable. Okay, it could not fit on one line, but it's SSL mode equal disable. Okay. All right. So this is my environment variable, and like I mentioned in the previous series, we can use this to quickly log into our Postgres database. So all I have to do is to, and by the way, if you watch that previous series, you would know that you had to restart your Linux machine um, for the environment variable to become recognized. I have already restarted my machine, so my environment variable is being recognized. And I could verify that by typing $ echo $apple tree underscore db underscore dsn. Okay, and there we have it. So this is my environment variable. Okay. Again, it's found in the .profile file. .profile file, which is found inside your home directory. Okay, so I can simply now say PSQL, okay, and enter. And we are now logged in, similar to how we logged in previously. All right, but of course, this approach is much shorter and quicker. Great. So that's the end of our database setup. Again, I did not spend too much time with this lesson because we have done it previously in the previous series. Okay, I'll see you in the next lesson where we will start setting up the database code so that we can connect to our database through our Go program. I'll see you in that lesson.